How to fix Spotify error code 4. So you might be in the situation where you are trying to access to your account on Spotify, but the Spotify is not letting you. In this case, the first thing first, what you want to do is to refresh the application. Close the app and then reopen it. Most of the time, refreshing the app has also fixed the issue. If not, the next thing you want to do is move into the App Store. In the search bar, search for Spotify. Move into this app. You have to make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. So, click on Update and update if you aren't using the updated version. Once you have the updated version, now the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device and then head over to General and then move into iPhone storage. Search for the application Spotify and then move into it. Now in this page, you have to click on Upload App and then once again tap on Upload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It should also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.